Hi, this is Michelle Ferguson. I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets, and today I'm going to teach you a hack that I use to avoid a twisted starting chain when I'm working in the round. For this project, I'm using some Mighty Stitch worsted weight yarn, and I've got an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm going to be working my Enchanted Dreams cowl crochet pattern. For this pattern, I am working in the round and I have a starting chain of 96 chains. Now, typically, I would chain the 96 chains and join my first chain with my last chain with a slip stitch. And then I would work my starting chain or turning chain and do my double crochet stitches for round one. I don't like to do that. That usually gets me a twisted chain, and I don't realize it till I'm almost done doing my double crochets. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do my 96 chains plus 2, so 98 chains, so that I can work double crochet across in a row rather than in the round. So I will do 98 chains. I will do one double crochet in the third chain from my hook and in each chain across. So I'm going to show you how I do that now. Okay, so as you can see here, I have done my double crochet. I have essentially done a row. I have 96 double crochet in this row. So this is round one, technically, of my Enchanted Dreams cowl. I worked, like I said, into the third chain from the hook and all the way across for 96 double crochet. So I added 2 to my starting chain. And now I'm going to join it to put it in the round. So we're going to do that now. I take my yarn and I'm going to get it all straight and nice and flat so that I can join them. I make sure both my stitches are on the top and work it around, and then I am going to take my yarn and join to that first double crochet with a slip stitch. And now I have created the round. So as you can see, it's joined. Now there's this gap here, and what I'll do at the end is take this end that I started with and I will weave it in with my yarn needle into the other side so that there is no gap at all. And then you can't even tell the difference. It looks like it's just been worked in the round. And then that helps me completely avoid any twisting of chains or anything like that. I just find it so much easier to do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to help. I'd love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.